Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce with the typical Italian pronunciation as well as in English the name of this famous opera singer, her tenor he was, who during the late part of his career crossed over into popular music. How do you go about pronouncing his name? In Italian, in Italy, they would say it as Luciano Pavarotti. You do want to stress on the third syllable, on the ro syllable of his last name, Pavarotti. You do want to insist on the double T because it matters in Italian as well. Luciano Pavarotti is how it would be said in Italian, but it'd be fine in English to say it as Luciano Pavarotti. Luciano Pavarotti. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more Italian words and names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.